adjustment powered up. Had a busy Halloween. We've got to keep you clear from all that sugar. What? That tickle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My tummy hurts.
I know, it's all that sugar. All right, look up towards the ceiling. Look up and down. All right, relax. Good, good. So much better. All right, you're well adjusted.
That's it.
That's it.
How you
Yay!
feel?